you have to cement me and shit.
Oh, my truck is okay out there.
Your truck just probably changed spots, homie. Motherfucker.
Look at that shit.
We're in a tornado.
Oh, dude, it's finna knock those poles down.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go back.
Hey, back up.
Yeah, hey, if something hits that glass, y'all are fucked. Yeah, I'll take pictures later.
That's fucking glorious spot.
Straight fucking us up, man.
Oh yeah.
Get over there, bro. I'm stuck.
Look at the side of the building of the Warren, dude. Look at that.
Holy shit.
It's just covered in mud.
I think this was his brother. Dude, it was picking this car up.
That Nissan?
This one right here.
The Beamer?
Yeah.
They're with the top of the warning sign.
No way.
Yeah.
Yep.
No, there goes the Warren sign.
Dude, this is another tornado. This is a whole nother tornado.
I bet my truck's getting hammered fuck.
Yeah, mine too.
Mine's right out back in front of all of
You
everything.
probably should have parked, like, you should have nosed up to the building since you know it's coming from that way.